So we gotta go counterclockwise to get it off. And maybe that battery's no good. I guess I gotta try another one. We gotta pull this one out. Because this one's not working. Got it. Alright. Let's try another one. Alright, so this is the battery that you need. See the number and name on it? Okay, so I've tried a couple batteries. And now I'm going to check them on here. Try to find one that works. See that? Nothing. No good. Got a bunch of them in here. We'll find one that works. Oh, look at, I got a good one. All right, so now this one should work and that should stop the beeping. All right, so it goes in like this. And they don't go in easy. Show you. There it is. Slides down. And it's got to pop in there. Like that. All right, let's see if we did it. There's where we're going. So you just got to match this and this with this and that. So I got to slide it up. Slide it up like this to try to get those pretty much close together. Yeah, see how we got that one kind of matched? Slide it on. And then you just gotta so trying to match it up. See how I got it matched up? Slide it on. And I gotta go clockwise. Take it off, you go counterclockwise. So I gotta twist it that way. Now this should work because that battery was definitely good. We'll find out in a minute.